Hey guys, welcome to TechTree's tutorial. In today's video we're gonna go ahead and learn how to make Instagram account private from business. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So for you to be able to get started onto switching your business Instagram account into private account, you'll just need to log in first onto your Instagram account. So as you can see, this is the first step for that. You'll just have to click onto your profile icon, and then once it would show in here, you'll just have to click onto settings. Right after, onto the next step, you'll just have to click onto account in here, and once you're already onto account, you should be able to see this option to switch back to personal account, or if you're already onto the business account, and if you're actually from a personal account, so this should show as business account. So this is the button that you'll click, the blue one, and then right after you'll just have to click on to switch to finish that. So as you can see in here, to have this onto private, you could go to privacy and security, and then account privacy, and then right after, to change it to private account, you'll just have to click onto OK. So also there is a new feature onto Instagram that has a close friend feature. So this will allow your stories to be seen by a list of chosen friends created by you. So you could just try that one out and also try the steps if this one would work with you. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.